Go on camera! Oh, pick the fucking thing up, bro. Don't leave it there, mate. Fucking flat it. It's recording. I'm fucking recording. How fucking funny was that? Right, Peter, this guy's better record because he's gonna stack it right now. He did it.
He's recording, he's got to do it eventually.
I'll just go fuck have a bit of a film around. We're up in fucking Gembrook here. Got all in the full fucking in the middle of nowhere. Got all the boys in the suits, got all the boys geared up here. All the boys aahaha, I'm not even going to hospital. Oh! George is going to hospital. I'm fucking injured.